Tampa approach connecting, Southwest 3598, passing 17,000 feet for 13,000 feet, information kilo. 6,000 feet, looks like on a 1 left visual, Southwest 4598. We're currently at about a 360 heading or so for the weather.
0103, when you're on right, clear for takeoff.
Approach control 10, with you on 16,000, foot 10,000.
350,
ILS, approach runway 01 left.
Altimeter, ILS approach, runway 01 left, approach 0.
The altimeter now, yeah. Receiving United States, receiving finding out 27 for...
Approach control at southwest 3032 with you passing 14,000 southwest 3032.
10,000.
Right, approach runway 01 left.
Altimeter, ILS
Approach runway 01 left, southwest 3032.
60 Vectors left out with 3.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
Hello?
Yeah, hi, sorry to bother you. This is the captain. Could you possibly spare a couple of cups of coffee for the flight deck? We're getting mighty thirsty up here.
You bet. I'll be up in just a minute.
104, descend 16,000.
Descend into 16,104.
150, Hello Tower, American 1421,
American 591
for takeoff from
ILS, approach runway 01 left. ILS, approach.
Here you go, guys. I got you your drinks and a few snacks, too.
Descend 2,000, American Airlines 591.
It looks like it's pushing off to the east there, so the later we get there, probably the better. We can slow the speed up here, because it looks like it's pushing off to the east. If we can slow it up a bit, that may go down a little further. Got 90 okay? Thanks. 4598, we are on a 350 heading now.
Flaps 1.
We need to slow down a bit first.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be arriving at our destination shortly. If you are making a connection to another flight, please see the customer service agent meeting this flight or video monitors inside the terminal for connecting gate information. For your continued safety, flight attendants will now walk through the cabin to secure it for landing. We'll be collecting all service items, newspapers, and any other items you wish to discard or may not be taking off the aircraft with you. Also, in preparation for landing, please turn off all electronic devices, stow these devices, and then all other carry-on items. Please use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted during our flight. Please stow your tray tables and return your seats to their upright position, and check the security of your seatbelts. We will be landing shortly. Thank you.
Actually, that I'm in that coach sort of taxiway Charlie at Alpha 900. Or Charlie at Alpha 900.
Tower, American Airlines 591 on final, request landing.
American Airlines 59112, tower here, clear to land runway 01, keep to 160, altimeter 3003.
American land, runway 01 left, speed 160, American 591.
193 Denver ground, thanks for the Charlie and Alpha 13. Charlie, Alpha 13, right there, 93. Alpha 3701, just give way to
Flaps 1.
United Air.
Flaps 1.
Alpha Charlie, and then taxi the Alpha 9 Charlie, cross right 28. Alpha 9.
Cabin crew, take your seats.
Right, give way to United. Heading 330, Southwest 4590. And traffic inside for 1106. On the heading, climbing to 3,000 to 1106. Okay, there's 50 goes Zoe. Shed for load. On 2000, Delta 1106. I get out 1500 for now. Are you able to make a 180 there? Yes, sir. H192, Roger, make a 180 to hold short of Charlie at Alpha 11, which is just behind you.
Captain, the cabin.
Southwest 33.9, good, push 37. Oh, 33.9, ground, push your discretion, advisory, taxi to 6, raise current, expect 1 right. That 1 right, yeah, that's good. Ground, Southwest 399, push, Charlie 33, X-ray. So 3994, ground, push your discretion, advisory, taxi, expect only 1 right. 1 right, thanks, pushing back now, Southwest 394. Chipper 392, follow the southwest runway 1 right, cross runway 28. Cross 28, follow southwest 1 right.
Delta 950, ready for taxi, we have extra.
Nvidia Tampa ground, Roger. I just called to get a release from Atlanta. Runway 1 left, taxi via Victor, Victor 3, hold short of Whiskey.
Victor 3, hold short whiskey, Delta 950.
Good land. 1 left, third land, L60, 21.
Flaps 5.
Flaps 5. 1,000 to go.
Tower southwest 303-201 left landing.
Northwest 3032. Tower here, clear to land runway 01 left. Altimeter?
Clear to land runway 01 left, southwest 32.
50 release time is 03, the time is now 47. Is this just back there, Victor 3, for about 5 minutes or so?
Delta 950, ready.
That is now 420. Let's go for 3221 1. 3235, Delta 1106. Good day. Turn 140, airport's inside. Ground Southwest 3393.
1,000 to go.
3399, Denver ground, runway 1 right, taxi Alpha 9 and Charlie, cross runway 28. Alpha 9, Charlie, south 28 for runway 1 right, Southwest 3399. Ground Southwest 3994, taxi X-ray. 3994, Denver ground, roger, runway 1 right, hold short of Charlie at Alpha 11. 1 right, hold short of Charlie at Alpha 11, Southwest 3994.
Northwest 3032. Reduce your speed to 135.
Speed to 135 up, southwest
Glide slope alive.
32.
Southwest 3994, follow company traffic south on Charlie, cross runway 28. RP100, something
Tower
here.
1366.
Cross 28, southwest
Position
94.
runway 01 left.
1366. Hold position.
Hold in our position 1366.
Runway 1 right, JetBlue 393.
Delta 1621, turn right, contact ground point center.
Right, point shot, Delta.
Traffic.
Tampa ground, JetBlue 1534, ready to taxi, with section. JetBlue 1534, Tampa ground, roger, hold short of Charlie at Alpha 12. Or Charlie Alpha 12, JetBlue 1534. Ground 1621, Florida West, 1621, Tampa ground, roger, taxi to the ramp via Whiskey Victor 6. Whiskey and Victor 6, Delta.
Southwest 3701, contact departure, goodbye.
Southwest 3701, good day.
3992, wind 0505, runway 1 right, cleared for takeoff.
Take off 1 right, JetBlue 392.
1 right, JetBlue 1534.
Traffic.
Localizer alive.
Next runway 1 left, via whiskey.
1 left via whiskey, Delta 950.
Southwest 33,
Gear down.
cleared for takeoff, wind 0606. Takeoff.
Landing checklist.
Engine start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Standing by for the flaps.
Flaps 30.
Flaps 30.
Cleared.
Check.
Landing.
Check.
1281.
Flaps 30. Green light. Landing checklist complete.
Southwest 3994, Tap Tower, new 1 right, line up and wait.
Then up and wait, runway 1 right, Southwest 3994.
Southwest 3390, contact departure, get right.
Departure, Southwest 3390.
Southwest 4598, right turn 126, ground point 7, good day.
6 ground, see ya.
So 3994, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Taking up runway 1 right, Southwest 3994.
5. 4594, I detect ramp via Victor 6 Alpha. Victor 6 Alpha to the ramp, 4598.
Southwest 1534, tower, runway 1 right, light up and wait.
1 right, line up and wait.
500 feet.
1534.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Southwest 3994, contact departure, good day.
Departure, have a good day, Southwest 3994.
Speed brakes up. Reverse green.
American Airlines 5912, contact ground on 121.
60 knots.
Okay to clean up.
Check.
American Airlines, 591.
104.
Continue text.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the conclusion of our flight. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign and the aircraft is parked safely at the gate. This will be your indication in effect to move about the cabin, gather your belongings, and depart. We'd like to thank you for flying with us today. We appreciate your business and hope to see you again on a future flight.
You on left base for runway 1 left.
Delta 2081, 10
Ground
Tower, 1
control,
left, 31.
Southwest 350. Request taxi.
Southwest 3506. Taxi via Alpha Charlie Papa. To holding position, runway 01 right. When on position, contact tower 118.7.
To holding position, runway 01 right. Via Alpha Charlie Papa. Tower on 118.
Cabin crew, disarm slides.
350.
APU is online. I'm ready for shutdown.
W1534, contact depart today.
Delta departing JetBlue 1534. Tampa Ground, good afternoon. 719 over at the Jet Center. We have information on the reattack bucket. Block 477. 719 Tampa Ground, runway 1 right. Taxi via Sierra and Delta. Sierra and Delta for 1 right. 6679. Here we go to this. Coming to Tampa, keep getting the taking this one correct.
Ground control, American Airlines 591 is clear of the runway. Request taxi departing.
American 5912. Taxi via Whiskey Victor Terminal 18 Alpha 14.
By Whiskey Victor Terminal 18 Alpha 14 American Airlines 5912.
That will be your only indication. I would say to get up and move about the cabin. We also receive a CPR clear and carry out baggage. It's the termination of our flight this morning, so we ask that you check your deck pockets, glasses, and overhead bins ready artificially your belt with you. Extra care should be
Delta 950, runway 1 left, line up and wait.
Wait, 1 left, up 950.
On behalf of your entire flight crew, it's been our pleasure serving you this morning. Have a pleasant day.
Delta 2081, right sir, Whiskey 6, ground point 7, good day.
Alright, sir, with 6 ground point 7, Delta 2081, good. Down Delta 2081, hanging a ride out with you. You go to gate. That's okay. Yeah, Delta 2081, road 6 ramp, the Victor 6. Back to the ramp, the Delta 2081. Tower 6 at 79, he's ready to launch runway 1 right.
Catch at 719, Sam Tower, right to hold short. Delta 950, contact departure.
Yes, that's right.
Delta 950, contact departure, good day.
Roger, Delta 950, so.
Section 719, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Ground control, southwest 2985. You cleared off the runway. Request taxi for parking.
Southwest 2985. Taxi via Whiskey, Victor, Gate Charlie, 5.
Via Whiskey, Victor to Gate Charlie, 35 southwest 2985.
Visit 719, contact departure, good day.
Good day, thanks.